Hi traders, just an update on the trade signals that were sent out. Earlier today during the trade room, actually the trade signals were sent out before the trade room was open, and then we added another position, for example on pound yen. Remember, we took this trade and then it just pulled back, and this is like the turnaround Tuesday. It's finding support now. So I hope everyone did take another position when I sent out the signal about 4 hours ago. So here's a buy level. Advisory indicator is giving us a buy signal down at these levels. So I've got a buy position up here and another position up here. So I'm up about 3 pips at the moment. So stay in this trade. It should rally, and we'll see if we can take profit up here at 146.40 area. That seems to be a strong resistance. So stay in this trade. It should rally. Here's a nice bullish engulfing candle. Advisory indicator giving us a buy signal. So that's the first trade. So I did merge my position. So now I'm up 14 pips instead of down 50 like we were before. The other one is pound dollar. Pound dollar broke a major resistance level, a trend line. Let's look at this on a higher time frame. We have clear divergence. Notice the divergence over here on the 4-hour chart, and then if we switch over to a daily chart, notice we have divergence as well. So let me just remove all these things so you can see this. See what I'm talking about here. We have nice clear divergence on a daily chart, and a trend line break. So when we see divergence on a daily chart, we're talking about a possibly long run up. Notice the morning star here on a daily chart right there. Let me just remove these so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, morning star, divergence on stochastics as well, a trend line break. Excuse me. So we should start seeing a nice rally on the pound dollar, possibly all the way up to 134.50. It's at 132. So that's, at least 200 pips initially. Okay, so stay long on pound dollar. Pound Aussie dollar, same thing. We've got divergence starting to form on a daily chart. Here's divergence. The two lines have yet to cross right here. They need to cross for this divergence to be complete. We have, there it is, swing points going lower, wave patterns going higher, stochastics is oversold. We have an inside bar on a daily chart, so we should start seeing a nice recovery on Aussie dollar. First target is 74.30 level, and then once it closes above 74.30, it should go all the way back up to 76 area. And what was the other one? Euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar. Let's look at a higher time frame what's going on. Okay, same thing. We've got nice divergence forming on a daily chart. Notice the wave patterns going higher, price action going lower. All we need is a trend line break, and we're off to the races. So I'm going to wait for price to break above 1680, and then we're going to target 117 and 118. Okay, so we still have 3 days left for this week, so we should have some nice runs, especially pound yen and pound dollar. So that's it for the tutorial trade signal update. Again, we are long on pound dollar. We are long on pound yen. We're long on euro dollar as well. And just waiting for a nice break above the current levels on Aussie dollar to push this higher, targeting, I think actually here's a swing point right there. 74.80 level is the first target. Okay guys, that's it. See everyone in the trade room tomorrow, and have a good trading week.